Okay, guys, I'm sharing my screen. Please let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, we can see. Can see it.
So, till yesterday, we just gone through Logan McNeil profile and we also just navigated few things, right? Like where do we see job histories, worker history, or any changes happens on the account and all. Okay. So guys, this is my advice. Like, you need to purchase your tenant as early as possible because without tenant, yeah, if you listen the classes, you can't just remember all the things. Whenever you practice, okay, you start practice, then only you can understand. So just purchase the tenant as early as possible. So till here, you're all clear, right? Or you have any questions? From yesterday's session, anyone has any questions, guys? Okay, I will take it as no then, and I'll go through the next session. Okay. So, guys, when you receive a request from your business, okay, so you need not to just go to the scratch and just go for a creating report or creating integration, whatever it is. Just you have to understand first what exactly is the request, okay? Because Workday, it's also giving us an option of delivered reports, guys, okay, which we called as standard reports. Standard reports are nothing but Workday delivered reports. See, if you can see here, you will understand that. So here there are many options. So what I need from these standard reports, okay?
Yeah, quick question. How
So
many
I
types of
need to select it. Kumar, could you please mute yourself?
yeah, I will do that one.
You have any question for me? Okay.
How many types of reports are there in Workday?
How many types?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'll come through that. We are not yet started there. So this is a Workday delivered reports. Okay. In delivered reports, I'm just choosing any one thing like we can understand. See, there are many are there. So many Workday delivered reports. I just need to select one category. So I'm choosing as, okay, worker data I will choose. You have to explore when you once you get access. Okay. So this is the report categories, guys. We have Workday standard reports. If you observe here, this is the category, the worker data, and this is the report. And are we paying or performance? It's the name of the reports, guys, we have in these categories and the description. Okay. Are we paying for performance? For example, I'm just sharing it. Okay. This report shows a matrix of base pay range versus performance ratings for all workers in selected supervisory organizations. Okay. And it processing user is prompted for supervisory organization and whether to include subordinate organizations. Okay. It's a matrix based report. Okay. And there are many types of reports. I'll come to that. Now just observe here the type of the report, guys. What is the type? It's a report writer. Okay. In standard reports, we have two types of reports. One is report writer and the other one is espresso reports. Okay. Now we'll start here. Okay, Workday standard reports. We have two types of standard reports, guys. And again, while I share the notes, I'll also give. The standard reports are nothing but Workday delivered reports. So in this, we have report writer and espresso reports. What are these? So we will explore here. Okay. I'm just taking okay. Let me just open a duplicate tab here. So this is a matrix report you can't understand generally. I'll just copy this one. Why I don't have this for that. So this is a Workday standard report. Okay. Guys, I made one mistake here. If you just observe while giving this, I have given a prefix of RD, report definition. That's why I couldn't able to see the report name. Okay. Because it's a standard report, guys, we can directly enter the name. When there is a custom report, then only we have to enter that prefixes. There are some prefixes for every tasks. Okay. For report, we do a RD, report definition. And for integrations, we type it as INTSYS, integration system. So here in this report, just observe while in the related actions, it's a standard report. It's showing, right? What are the options I can see? Copy, run, schedule. Okay, just remember copy, run, and schedule. And it's a report writer. I will explain you guys. No, don't worry. Okay. Copy, run, schedule. Okay. Now we'll just open another tab. one more duplicate tab will open, and then I'll just copy one espresso report. We do not have access for this one. Let me just go and take another one. I have access. Their access means, as we discussed in our earlier class, guys, if you just remember that, see, Logan McNeil do not have access for this report. That's why she is not able to do it. Okay. And for this report, it is the mandatory one they have selected in the prompting. These are the prompting, guys. While I explain the custom reports, I will tell you about this one. But for now, we will give some random supervisory organizations. We will select to get some data of it. Okay. Okay. The list we have selected, there is no data to show, but just, okay. I'll just show you what options we have. So like standard report, are we getting a related actions and standard report and all these options? Are we getting here? No, it's not giving any kind of actions, or it's not showing anything apart from the run option. If you just observe here. So we have only run option. Now we'll come to our first one. We received a business request, okay, to give them a worker related data. Okay. Guys, while you receive your ticket, they will also mention the fields as well. Okay. You don't need to struggle for anything, guys. Everything they will provide. Whatever business need, the employee ID, first name, last name, whatever it is, the data of the employee, dependents data, everything you will receive. Okay. What are all should include in the report, they will tell you, guys. So don't worry about that one. That part you're clear. Okay. So now
It's, they will include in database name as well, or also only these fields only they will provide.
they will provide the fields what they need. And by seeing the request itself, while you read, you have to understand which report you have to choose. Okay. Either you go for an advanced report, either you go for a matrix report. That's and all you have to choose. For suppose, like I'll just ask a question. So your business asked you to give some data of employees, yeah, just joined in last 3 months. They don't want all the employees of the organization. They just need of last 3 months. So what will you do? Which what report you have to choose it first of all? What action you have to take? Now I did not tell you about the reports, but what you take? The first thing comes in your mind.
Like 3 months timestamp.
So I'll tell you here what we have to think. Okay. First of all, whatever the business asks you, whatever it may be, you have to first go for a workday standard report, and you have to verify that. You have to select that particular category and you have to search for it. If you see here under worker data, I have 33 items. The 33 items are nothing but 33 reports I have, guys. See here. Okay. I have a report with workers with probation period. Okay. So if your business asks you who are all just resigned, okay, just resigned and still in, sorry, who are all just joined, recently joined, okay, and we have a probation period of 6 months in every organization. You're all aware of it, right? So the probation periods, they are asking you to fetch the data. Now, do you think that you need to create a report for this, or you can use this report? Okay. Since I don't get any answers, let me just convey my thing. So, workers with probation period, guys, if you receive such a request from the business, you first go and search in the Workday standard reports, guys. And here also, if it is an espresso report, you can't copy that report. Okay, you can't copy, you can't schedule that report. Only you can run for that particular time. Okay, and whatever the data is available by that time, suppose I'm running it now, whatever the data is available in that report, okay, I will get that report data. Otherwise, no. But report writer, you have to, in the standard report, you have to check that, okay, because why report writer, we have an option of copy and schedule apart from run. Okay, here if I see that I have some options of, worker, beneficiary event, completed date and time. These all fields are available, but my business has given some more field names which are not available in this report. So what I will do, I will just copy this report. See, when I copied it, it's showing as copy. And we will just give our name. Okay, whatever it is. I'm just giving my credentials here and report copy. And your business will give you a report name, what you have to put. So that particular thing you can just keep it, okay? So SD test report copy, since we are just copying it, I'm just pasting for our reference. So here guys, it's a report tags. Why report tags are important, you can search your reports even with the report tags, guys. Okay, if you have n number of reports and you don't know what exactly you have to give, you should remember your different thing, like out of 10 reports, 12 reports will appear on the home page and you have to go for it. Rather than that, you can choose the report tags. Okay, you can choose your tag, or you can create your own tag also here. Okay. So this is the importance of the report tag. Generally, we don't get it. Report tags also business will mention, because they have for particular business. Okay, if you're working under some certain tower, they will be having some report tags. So they will ask you while you create a report, okay, put it under this tag. They will tell you. Okay, no worries for it. Or if they ask you to create it, you will have an option of create tag. Create tag is nothing but just you need to give some name of it. That name also you have to ask your business. Every time, guys, take confirmation from the business what I say. We can't just give, my name is Deepti, I will give D, and my bestie name is Sampandu, I'll give P, DP, I will give. No, nothing like that. It doesn't work like this. So always you have to ask your business won't come to you, even if they don't turn to you, you have to go and ask. Okay, so just observe, guys, this is a report name and the report type, it's an advanced report, guys, and it's a data source. What data source they have taken? All workers. And data source type, it's a standard. I'll just tell you, okay? Don't worry what she's telling all workers, advanced standard, what are all this, okay? Just a standard report. I'm just giving you our knowledge of standard reports, okay? These will cover under custom reports, guys. I will tell you when that topic comes. For now, you just need to learn how to run a standard report, how to copy it, how to schedule it, okay? Just till here, just focus, okay? Forget about this all. This is a data source is very important for the report, guys. You should know when the business asks you to create a report, you should know, okay, by seeing the fields, which data source I have to choose for this, okay? So there is a way to learn that. I will teach you. Don't worry for it. And this is the primary object. When you select the data source, when you select the data source, the primary object automatically it will appear what you have to select. You don't need to select, sorry. It will appear as a primary object. Since you have selected all workers, worker is the primary object here, business object. Okay. So here I have a field called worker and beneficiary for beneficiary event and beneficiary events for beneficiary event again. This is different, this is different. Okay. So they are beneficiary for beneficiary event. Okay. So this is only beneficiary event of the worker. And this is the beneficiary event complete date. Let me just put another field what my business asked me. Okay. So my business asked worker start date correction event. They asked me to include, which is not available, but rest of the fields are available in the standard report. So I don't want to take any tension on it. So I just simply copied this report and whatever the fields are not available, I simply added that field. Okay. This is the smart work, guys. Instead of just going for the custom report, when the business asked me, so I just did a small investigation of this. Okay, this report is available in the standard report or not. I will check if the report is available. If it is a type is, that report type is report writer, then I have an option of copy. Okay. Now I will just test it. Okay, run means it takes more time, but I'll just test it. See, whatever the field I have created, it appeared here. Since we don't have any correction event for these employees, guys, we haven't received any data here. Okay, it's simply that. So my report is done, guys. Okay, I'll show you this part. I'm just taking another duplicate tab here. Now I will use my report definition one. See, I can see now. I will go to the report definition. Guys, if you click on report, you will get only run option, guys. You have to, if you want to visit your report page, then you have to choose report definition. There you are having two options, report definition. If you want to simply run it, just go for the report. If you want to go to your, if you want to come to your page, then you have to choose a report definition here. So now read it, guys. We don't have any report tag options because we did not give any report tag here. And my report name, whatever I have given with my initials. Okay, you can see it now. And the report type is advanced as like same because we just copied, we did not edit anything. And the data source is also all workers. Data source type is standard and primary business object is worker. Okay. Now, whatever the field I have added, you can see it here. But I want you to observe one thing, guys. Again, we'll go back to this report and we'll see. It's a standard report, right? See, here I forgot to show you while you're copying itself, it's showing this copy standard report to custom report. It's giving this option, right? Now see here what you can see on top of your report. It's no more a standard report, guys. It's a custom report. Okay. We converted while copying itself, it's showing as copy standard report to custom report. Now cancel. Okay. Like that, we
By,
have created one
by
custom report here.
yeah, by default it will be converted to custom report or else.
Yeah, we copied, right? Once you copy a standard report, it will turn as custom report. It's no more standard report.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How many columns we can add in a report? I mean, in a standard report.
You can add whatever your business asks, how many fields they will give you. There is no cap for it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so here again, I want to go to the standard report. We also seen a schedule option, right? So now I want to just show you the schedule option. Run, you are aware, right? We ran the report. So scheduling the report or scheduling the integration, guys, I will show you in a while in your integration classes also. But how to just do a scheduling report in the standard report, I'm just showing you. Okay. Here we have an option of run now. And then we have an option of run once in the future or daily recurrence. Guys, whatever you select here, you will be going to another tab. Okay. You have to enter the particular details. So if I choose that run once in the future, I have to give that future date and time when this one time has to run. Okay. If it's a daily occurrence, again, I have to give, okay, from when to when I want this daily recurrence. Okay. Or it's a weekly recurrence, bi-weekly recurrence, okay, weekly once, which day we have to give. Okay, that also we need to mention along with the from date to date. And if it's a monthly, same. Which month this report has to run, we have to choose. And dependent. Okay. So it's a like a custom thing. We have to choose. I want you to explore everything of these options. Okay. Now I'm just selecting. It's a custom recurrence, guys. If you want to, apart from this ones, you want to custom recurrence. Like, you don't want to run this report daily or you don't want to run this report weekly and you don't want to run this report monthly. You want this report should run every alternate day. Then you will go for this custom recurrence, guys. Okay, there you can give whatever your custom. Okay, you understand the custom word, right? So the custom is standard also we have just checked. Custom means my own thing. Okay, I have created. So here custom recurrence, you will create it. So for now, I'm just selecting a daily recurrence here. Okay. Once I select, see here it's giving options of recurrence every weekday or recurs every X day. Here in this X day, I have to choose one. Okay. So if I select recurs every weekday. In weekends, it won't run. That's why I'm choosing recurs every X day. That X day, I have to choose it as 1. Okay? Means daily. So in custom, you will select every alternate days as 2. So like that, we have to choose, guys. Just explore, okay? Once you get the access, whatever you do, okay, it's not going to impact anything on the tenant. So just explore. How much you gonna explore, how that much you will learn. And the start time it's asking, guys. So daily, by what time my report has to run, I have to select. Okay. So I will choose daily 8 o'clock in the morning. It has to run. So after selecting 8 o'clock, again it's asking me it's 8:05 or 8:10 or 8:15. Please tell me. I want exact time of it. Okay. So the workday is very particular about this, guys. So I'm giving maybe 8:20. Okay. So the time zone, guys. So this your business will tell you. Sometimes your business may ask you to, just follow the Eastern time or the Pacific time, CST, EST, whatever it's okay. Or else our Indian Standard Timing, IST also. For now, I'm just keeping it Pacific time here. And it's catch up behavior, guys. So how many times I have to give? Run once or how many times? Okay. Since I have selected every X day as 1, I'm just giving this. So in custom, you will have more options of this one. And start date, guys. The start date is from today. It's not possible, right? So I have to select from 13. So tomorrow 8:20 a.m. my report will run and I will show you in tomorrow's class. Don't worry. And what will be the end date, guys? So for now, I'm just selecting maybe till November 12th. Okay. So whatever the time period I'm giving here from 9:13 to 11:12, guys, my report runs every day at 8:20 once in a day. Okay. So I have scheduled this. And we also have to whom we have to share this report output, guys. Here I did not select anyone because we don't have, it's a GSM tenant, guys. But on the floor, while giving the schedule itself, you are having this output and share options. There you have to give whichever business asks you to schedule the integration, right? You have to enter that group names. Likewise, I show you of Logan McNeil, right? She's part of this security groups, this security groups. Or, if they ask you to send output, share the report only with one person, you can simply type their name over there, their username or their work email. You will get it. So now the report is generated, guys. See, view schedule future process. Status is active. Okay. Daily recurrence. And it's giving me all the info of this report. So this is the one view scheduled future process of for this report. Okay. We'll just copy this one. Because we have scheduled it, right? Tomorrow we'll see this. So this is all about a standard report, guys. Report writer. We have copy option, we have run option, we have scheduled option. But the Espresso report has only one option, which is run. You can only run. You can't copy, you can't schedule. Till here, the standard reports topic is over. So whenever your business asks you to do something, just search in the standard reports if that report is available or not. If that report is available, simply run the report. Okay. So, and give the data. If they ask you to add more fields, you can just simply copy that and add more fields, and you can schedule it as well. If the standard report, they want you to see this data is good only, you need not to add any fields, but I want this report should run on daily basis or any custom basis, they will tell you guys. So by based on it, you have to just schedule that integration as I showed you. Okay. So this one is over. The topic is over till here, the standard reports. So now we are coming. So business, whatever the business requested you, you don't have that report at all in the standard reports. Okay. Now what? We have an option of create our own reports, guys. The task name is create custom reports. What is the task name, guys? Create custom reports. Okay, this is the task name. So this is the task name. You should remember your task names always. Okay, don't forget. Now I showed you, just I have typed everything, right? Now just see, I'll simply enter three ones. Create custom report. Still I could see here, right? So you can use your short terms in Workday can understand, guys, but minimum letter should be 3. Okay. Now I'm going through this one. Report name. So the report name again I will give. Okay. Test underscore custom 1. Okay. This is my report name. Someone asked me how many types of reports we have. Okay. In standard reports, we have only 2 types. One is report writer. The other one is espresso reports. Okay. But coming to the custom reports, okay, we have simple, advanced, composite, matrix, and box, search, transposed, and trending reports, guys. Okay, we are not going to cover all these reports. We mainly use on floor is advanced, composite, matrix, simple, and trending. Okay. Search reports, most 99.9% guys, search reports are always a delivered kind of things. I'll show you one search report, how it looks. Example, find workers. It's a Workday delivered search report, guys. See, the report type is search. Okay. Since I have selected on a report definition, I came to this page. Okay. And data source type earlier we have seen as standard. And now we are seeing as indexed. Okay. I will tell you the difference between the standard and indexed, guys. Standard means you will get a normal standard ones, okay, of the fields. Indexed means when you select the data source type as indexed, only the indexed fields will come. I'll show you, we don't know like which field is standard, which field is indexed, right? Don't worry. We will have all the details of whatever the fields we are going to choose. We will get it in the business object details, guys. I will also show that. Just we will have two types of data source types. One is standard, one is indexed. Okay. So we are creating a custom report, guys. So now I'll select the simple one. So this is if you want this report, the simple report, and you don't want it permanently, then you have to enable this field. So within a week, this report will disappear from the tenant, guys. Okay. It's just a simple report. And data source, I will choose as all active and terminated. Okay. That's it, guys. Simple report is, see, it came as indexed because I've selected a data source of indexed one. Okay. That's why I could see the type is as indexed. See, in the simple report, guys, this is the first type of report, guys. Okay, create custom report. Let me just put my points. Simple report, advanced reports, matrix, composite, trending,
Inbox.
yeah. Nbox we don't use at all. It's just a Workday has given, but we never use of Nbox.
Sample.
Sorry?
Sample. Something.
Simple report. We already included that one. Come on, guys, we discussed. Search. Okay. So, simple report has only three fields over there. Just remember, guys. What are they? Column, sort, and filter. Okay. Column, sort, filter. Okay. It varies from report to report. That's why I'm writing there. This is the simple report means in the name itself, you can see that it's very simple one. Okay. I'm selecting worker. Okay. The primary business object is time of entry, guys. You can see there. Okay. Directly fields we have to give. We don't have option of choosing the business object. Likewise, we choose in the advanced report. Okay. And I also want time of
The
action event.
type of fields they will provide, or else we need to update.
No, no, no. It's giving, I've chosen data source of what I have chosen the time of entry secure, sorry, time of all statuses for active and terminated employees. I have selected the data source. I already told you initially, once you select the data source, choosing the data source is very important, guys. Suppose if you are making a biryani, you have to choose you are going to make a veg biryani or some mutton biryani, chicken biryani, either it's a dum or a fry piece. You have to make it clear, very clear. Based on it, you will see the procedure, okay? The procedure will be changed, entirely change, okay? It's not that you wear something western top, jeans, everything, and you wear some traditional shoe or a chapel, right? It doesn't fit. Likewise, the data source is very important. It's a heart for the report, guys. Remember. So choosing this data source, how we have to choose, I will tell you. Okay, don't worry for that. Just I'm showing you the look of the custom reports. That's it. So how to choose the data source and all, I will tell you. No worries, because for choosing data source, first of all, we should be clear with the fields, guys. That fields our business will give. So once your business has provided these fields, they want the first name, last name, employee ID, everything, gender, marital status, everything they have asked you. So you have to go to the, okay, let me just show you there what happens. Some people are so curious. See, the business object details. This is also a report, guys. So I have to select the business object of worker. Okay. We have many, guys. Okay. If you enter time off also, it will come. But it's easy to understand worker thing. That's why we are very familiar to understand, and more you have to work on in ERP, you more work on the workers thing. That's why I'm always telling you the examples of worker. Okay. So it's loading, guys, taking time because we have many. See here. Now see, this is the worker business object, guys. How many fields I have in worker business object? 4,943. Even though you are not finding your field here, we have a calculated fields which we can create on our own. But Workday is delivering 4,943 fields under this worker, only worker, guys. If you go to the another business object, you will find another more fields. But this is only under worker, guys. And for this worker, we also have a related business objects, guys. These are all the related business object, like a relation. So if you are creating a report for worker, then you will choose the normal fields of a direct worker or business object fields. Okay. But when you have to create a report of some, dependent data should be included, then you will come to the related business object details. Okay. Here you will find the related business objects. I'll brief you again. Don't worry. And for this worker, how many data sources are available? See here. So first I will choose whatever my business asks me. Do I have these fields included under this business object or not? I have to choose it here. Okay. My business asks me first name. The first name is there or not? It's there. Okay. And my business asked me last name. The last name is there or not? So like how I will choose. Okay. So this is the field source is a Workday delivered field, guys. If you see it here. So I have chosen my, again, I will choose gender. Did I select anything? It's not coming. So it's giving me more options of this one. These are all the calculated fields which are created under this business object. That's why it's showing calculated field CF. See, I have gender. I want hire date. My business asked me to find the hire date of the employee. So I will also go for a hire date. And I want to include dependent data. Do I have dependent data here? Dependents. Yes. Now I'm filtering, guys. Now see. See, this is a direct fields. Okay. The dependents, for dependents, we have a related business object. For gender, we have a related business object. Whatever we have available options, it's showing here, right? So now everything is available under worker. So what is the best data source I have to choose from this? Whatever business ask me, those fields are available under worker only. So what comes, which data source comes under worker? Now I have to choose. There are 58 guys, 58 data sources are available. But hmm, I have to think which data source will be the perfect one. Okay. See, every data source has its own description, guys. Active and terminated workers for ACA IRS reporting. Are we really looking for any ACA particular IRS reporting, guys? No. Okay. And then the second one is all active and terminated workers. So my business just asked me to give the all the employees. So either they are on now are on the position or they resigned, whatever, even though they are terminated, doesn't matter. They want all the employee data. Okay. Even if you get terminated, your data will be remain in of organization details, guys. I've already told you in the demo session. If you just remember this. Okay. The logic also I've told you. I have 1,000 employees in my organization and one got promoted, one new joinee, and one terminated. So how many employees I will get? 1,001 only. It's not that I have to minus one employee and add one employee. Even though you're getting terminated from the organization, your data will be remain in the organization forever. Okay. So here the all active and terminated workers, okay, which my business asked me very much close to my request, okay, whatever my requirement. Now see the description, guys. It accesses the worker as its primary object and returns one row per worker. Only includes all active and terminated workers. For active workers, all fields are as of the current date or effective date if specified. Okay. For the terminated workers, all fields are always as of the last day of the work, guys. So for the terminated one, as the records will pull as per his last working day, whatever is available in the system. Okay. You can't change anything. So all fields are always as of the last day of work, does not contain any built-in prompts. Okay. Which I just explained. This data source can be used to build reports for only active and terminated workers and not all workers. For better performance, use indexed worker data source instead. See, it's asking us to use indexed data source. The data source type is standard. What is the difference between standard and index, guys? If you choose a standard one, only the standard fields will appear. You can enter in the report. If you want to use some different fields which are there in indexed one, okay, the indexed one, we use it only for the better performance of the report, guys. Okay. So it filters automatically, data filter will be available for the data source. Okay. Like my edit custom report, I'll just show you. See, we have a data source filter here. It automatically filters the data and give us the best. That's why report runs very quickly. Okay. But when I choose here, let me just show you guys. Okay, simple report, it's taking an indexed one. I will show you the advanced one again. Now come back to this. So So I don't need an index one because my fields are not covering under index one. So I will choose to go with the standard one. So here you can choose standard. See, some are indexed, guys. Okay. So by this, you have to choose, guys, you have to go through the description of each reports because these fields are available, but which data source you have to use. See, all workers. If I go to the indexed all workers, what is the description of this? The data source provides access to currently active workers and workers with a future hire or a contract date. It's not including the terminated workers, guys. Clear? When your business asks you to create a report only with the active workers and the future hire date, okay, future employees, you have to go with all workers. Then terminated workers will not come in your report. Okay, report will not include any terminated workers here. So, like this, you have to choose your data source, guys. That's how we have to. First of all, we should be very clear what are all the fields we have. First, we need to go to one different, take that particular. If you want to create a report on benefits, guys, choose benefits and which fields your business asked you. I'm just removing this worker and then I'm including here. Okay. See the benefit plan here. I have 45 fields included under this field, guys. So what will be my benefit plan, enroll date, everything will be here. So I have to choose if my all fields are maximum fields are covering. Don't think if you got all 10 fields from the business, it's not necessary you should find all your 10 fields under only this one. Okay. So rest of the things you can go for the related objects, or if it is not available in the related objects also, you have option of creating a calculated fields. Okay. If maximum are covering under some particular business object, choose that business object as your primary business object. To get that as primary business object, you have to select data source. Only one data source is available, all benefit plans. If you choose all benefit plans here, so for simple reports it's not coming, guys. We have to go with the advanced report one. Okay. Just simple reports, it's a minimal tasks we use it, guys. Not for the everything we will get it. If you're not finding the option, you have to go for the advanced reports. The first one, the simple, okay, we have done this one. Test, advanced. Okay. Now I'm choosing my advanced report here. Now see, it's again asking, is it a temporary report? Enable as web service? No, I don't want to enable it as web service. I will explain it later, guys. You won't understand it now. And now it's asking for optimized performance. So when I searched, click this one, I get only indexed data sources, guys. First, I need to remove this one and then I have to search. See, now it's appearing all active and terminated workers, all workers, time off, trended workers and all. But if I click on this one, see, only that indexed data sources will appear here. So since this one is a standard, guys, I'm just select, I will unselect this one and then I will search for all benefit plans. See, I'm good now. We are not getting any data source filter under this because it's a standard one. Now I'll click on OK. See guys, how many are there now? For simple, we have seen only column, sort, and filter options. But coming to the advanced, guys, we have columns, sort, filter,
Subfilter,
subfilter.
prompt.
You have attended any previous sessions?
No, no, just now we observed, right? Starting also.
Hmm. But subfilter option is not there here, na? Where did you find it?
Filter, subfilter, prompt.
Yeah. Okay. So output share advanced. See, we have advanced means very advanced, guys. How many things we have to see? In simple one, we don't have all these options. Now, under this business object, what are all the fields we have? Benefit plan. My business asked me to include benefit plan as a first one. See, this is the benefit plan business object. So it's automatically giving if you see it here. Okay. The primary business object is a benefit plan. Now, benefit plan, I want start date. Okay. No, start date plus 2 start date of currently week period. Again, benefit plan. Okay. I want enroll one. Do we have this option or not? Okay. And I want current worker of enable benefit plan. So these are all the fields I have selected here. So what is sort option, guys? I'll just show you. Guys, I'm gonna explain it again, just advanced report. I'm just exploring it now. Okay. Sort is nothing but we will have this, ascending order, descending order, and all this, see, by grouping. So these are all comes under this sort options, and we have filter. Okay. So here we give a filter options also. I will tell you while taking you through some scenario. I will explain. If I explain it now, you don't understand. But filter is something you want a data which you have entered. You want some filters on this data. Okay. Why we need this filter, sub filter prompts, guys? It will um, see, I will give you a perfect example of this. I have a students of 100, but I want only female employees should get in the output. Then I will apply the filter, guys. What will happen? My report performance will get increase. Okay, I will get a better performance because I'm not running for all 100 employees. Okay, I'm running my report. Running my report because I already entered the filter. I want to fetch only female employees so that my if I have only 30 employees out of 100, 30 is a female employees, the report will get for run for only 30. So don't you think, yeah, it will give more productivity and will complete in lesser time? So this is how we have to use this options filter. So while we use the related business object, guys, not the primary one, while we use the related business object, we will do this sub filter, guys. Sub filter is only for a related business object. And prompts. While we are running the espresso reports of the standard report, guys, did you observe we are getting some prompts over there? We have selected some random supervisory organizations. Yes, we need to give our prompts here. Okay, because if your business asks you to enter prompts, they want to run only the Chennai employees or Andhra employees or maybe the Karnataka employees. They will give you of please add it in a prompts that location as prompt so that we will run it for only that particular location. Then you have to enter the prompts. Then it's a output. So whatever we are till running the output, it's coming in a table format, right? But we have many more options, guys. Apart from table, we have a graph type, we have everything. We have to choose our whatever business asked us. Mostly 99.9% it will be under this in HCM, guys, because we are not in a finance side. If it is a finance side, we may need graphs and all, but not for this one. And then we have share option. To whom we have to share? We have don't share report definition, share with all authorized users, and share with specific authorized groups and users. So this is the one. And this advanced tab is very advanced, guys. Only the advanced report you can use it in the integrations, guys. No other report. I have see, we have many reports here, but only advanced report we can use it in integration. If we want, okay, we can use it in integrations. Okay. So for using that, we have to select as enable as web service, which is nothing but we are turning our report as RAS report, guys. Report as a service. And we use this report as a service in our integrations. Only then we need. If you want to use it, this report in integration, that's when you will select this enable as web service. Otherwise, not needed. So this is all about the custom advanced reports. We will quick do a recap and we will explore more about the options we have here. Okay. For now, just I have given heads up of this simple and advanced. We will go through the tasks tomorrow. Okay. We will create and I will also give you assignments, guys. Guys, whoever did not purchase the 10 names, please purchase it. Vasi, you will forget this class after 1 hour, 2 hours like that. Whatever I'm saying, that options and all you have to explore. So you have to do that, guys. The more you practice, the more you learn. Again, I'm saying this. So these are the things like which are, in data source, blue color, highlighting one, all will have a related actions. So nothing will happen. Just see each option and see, find out if you're not understanding anything, just ask, guys. So whatever it appears in the blue color, I just clicked on it, right? I also get a description of this one. Okay. So for the fields also, guys, while you select the fields, you have to select what you will get by selecting this data. So prompt start date, guys. The description of this is returns the value entered for the start date field at runtime. So it give you a brief description, guys. You will understand is it the suitable one or not. Sometimes we will get a same field names. Okay, you will get two things with the same names. Then you have to go for this description, which one better suits you. Okay. So guys, yes, for today I'm done with this. Any questions, guys?